We'll be doing activity 5. My name is Pina,
Purity, Mercy,
and we have Helen doing the recording. We'll be connecting the Arduino Uno with the jumper wires, the USB cable, and the embedded board.
Arduino Uno.
So we're going to take one jumper wire. The unpinned part, we're going to connect it to the embedded board in the GND, and the pinned part, we're going to connect it to the GND on the Arduino board. We're going to take the next jumper wire. The unpinned part, we connect to the 5 volts, and the pinned part, we connect to the 5 volts on the Arduino Uno.
Pin number 4. We'll connect it to the LED number 4.
Then lastly, we take the USB cable, we insert it on the Arduino, then lastly to the system unit.
So we are going to code our connection, and on the void setup we are going to write the pin mode. And this will enable us to blink our LED. And you must verify to check whether you have an error and save your work. We're going to check whether it's going to light, whether it's going to blink.
Hi, my name is Angelina Namnyak, and I'm very pleased to be part of the Moonshot Junior. The Innovator program has helped me through in my academics. It has enhanced my creative thinking and strengthened my technological skills as well.
It was a new experience for me. I was exposed to the STEAM subject in the most fun manner, from brainstorming to prototyping, and the experience have helped me to be more creative and more imaginative. The mentors are very helpful, generous, and supportive.
I'm Emily. I'm delighted to be part of Moonshot Junior Innovator program. What I like most about their program is that they use a lot of hand-on skill activities. I really like the team of instructors and mentors, hence they are very helpful. Moonshot Junior Innovator program has not only helped me in upskilling, but has also helped me has given me confidence of doing things that I've never imagined.